We're going to Kufi Cafe! We have a special guest for today's vlog. And it's Bella! Bella is my anxious dog. Siya yung bunso ko. So, pupuntahan namin yung cafe. Cafe! Not like bahay. Cafe sa bahay ng kapatid ko tsaka yung girlfriend niya. So, dinala ko si Bella. Ito yung pinaka-clingy na dog ko. Say hi, Belle. Say hi. Bing mo, Bing. Look at yourself, oh. Don't be scared. We're still here. Na-traffic kami. And here's Bella. Kinakabahan na siya. Si Bella, kapag kinakabahan, naiihi siya or natatay.
After almost 1 hour traffic, nakatating din kami. Kufi is named after sa isa nilang cat, kaya it's kind of a cat-themed slow bar cafe. Sa harap lang ng bahay to, good for tambayan with friends, and tapat lang siya mismo ng Toyota Angeles, and malapit din siya sa Marquee Mall. Freshly brewed yung coffee nila using mocha pot, meron din silang non-coffee, and perfect pair sa Samyang noodles overload. In-order ko tong Biscoff coffee, so yummy with the spicy cheesy Samyang na ilang weeks na naming inaabangan. Available din yung kanilang cheesy fries. Super ma-traffic dito guys, lalo papuntang Pandan, so stop over muna kayo para magkape.